Hey, you guys had, Pokemon Death and Pokemon today, right? Don't know. So, as you can see, it's going to be a later game. Until I can get my older versions back. And, seems we're in a cave. So, see what Pokemon we have. Sorry, I have to go back and forth. Okay, so what we're going to do in this video is, I think... Oh, come on. That's not fair. Level 8 here, dude. So let's fight him. Yeah. Not very effective yet, equipping. As you can see, we've been trying to level up our Pupitar. I thought I could see it. But it's connected. If you can't see, our Pupitar is level 36. And if you guys want to know what my highest level is, 83, and I actually do have him on me right now. He's in front of it. So let's try to get out of here. Got too much trouble. And he's older, but... Sorry, if you guys can see me in the background. Hold on. His name's Black Hole. I think we're not going to do a series on this. We're going to do a series on the Game Boy version of, what was it? Oh, Sapphire. So we have to do that. Who doesn't want to do that? Ooh, so close to the exit. This whole beginning, just right up the fight. There we stand here. That light. My light, sorry. Really annoying, I get that light. Let me turn down the volume, that's really loud. You guys can really hear it, but focus. Oh, hold up, I'm trying to fix the lighting. There, now there's no light. And yeah, I don't have to turn off my light for it. I can have a blanket over my head, so. Black Hole, let's go. We're just gonna use Dash. I mean, seems to be one-shotting him. They're in level 6s. Oh my god. Wish we had a repel. But I used my last one getting in here. So, unless you guys didn't know, I've beat Elite Four. I've basically beat the game. You know what, I'm just gonna have my Palkia go through the water. Freaking Geodude. I'm not gonna run because that's so empty. It is getting annoying though. Still want to show you guys some nice, even though it's not very quality, but nice stuff. And we're running on 5 minutes here, not 15. Okay, there goes my Palkia. Yes! And it's raining. Really? I think that's hair. Yeah, there we go. Okay, where do we want to go? Let's try... Let's go to Goldenrod. Why? Because I kind of want to do something with you guys. I'll show you guys. What do I want to show you guys? I'm gonna do something fun, but I don't know what to do. What's in Goldenrod that we can do? We can go to Kanto. Should we go to Kanto, you guys? Okay, let's just go here to my badges. Show you that I beat the whole game. So, okay, let's go to Kanto. Let's go to Kanto. Puff flip. Puff flip. Okay, where is my amazing creature? And I think, well, this is a very fast train. What do we want to do here? You know, let's get in a quick battle. Quick Pokemon fight. See how intense this is. It's level 13. And after this fight, we're going to end off the video. So it's not more intense. This video. Well, who knows what's going to happen later in the series. But, like, comment, subscribe. And next time we're going to do this, we're going to have some pretty interesting stuff to do. So, see you guys.